Now that we have added the details action method, let's right click here, add view, and we will add the razor view. It won't be a partial view. That looks good. Let's add this. Now, as with the view, I hate to write all the CSS and HTML, so I have attached the snippets here. We'll go with the details UI. We'll copy all of the bootstrap and HTML here, and we'll paste it right here. There won't be any of the tag helpers or any razor code. It is purely HTML, CSS, and bootstrap. The first thing that we have to do here is we need to define the model. So model is rocky.models.viewModels. We have the details view model. That being said, right now we are not using any of the model here. So let's run our application and see what happens. So in here, let's view the details, and great, we just see a name, price here, we have the category, application type, description, we'll display the image here, and we have buttons. Let's change the static content to use the actual content. So we have the name, we want to display model.name, then we have the price. Now rather than displaying just price, I want to convert it. So we can use the razor code here, and in here we can say model.price. Whoops, it will be model.product.price, and then we want to convert it. So we'll use toString, and we want to convert to currency. That being said, name is also inside model.product.name. Next, we have the image right here. So we need the web constants. In there, we have the image path, plus we want add model.product.image. Then if you scroll down, we have the two spans here where we display the category name. So that is inside model.product.category name. We can copy this and paste this for application type. We have the description. Now in description, we'll have to use html.raw because we are using the summer note. So right here, we'll cut this model.description and we will paste it in here, but we have model.product.description. Then we have the buttons and link here. So right now, if we want to go back to the index page, we need the tag helper to define the action, and this will be index action. Then we have a button. Here I want to add an if condition, and I'll say if model.exists in cart. If it exists in cart, I want to display a link here to remove it. So I'll copy this and paste it here. Action method, let me change this to remove from cart. Now when a user wants to remove from cart, we can pass here the ID of the product to make things easy. So right here, we'll pass model.product.id, so we know which product we have to remove from the cart. Then for the bootstrap classes, I'll make it as btn warning. And I believe everything else looks good. We'll change this to remove from cart. Perfect. In the else part, we'll have the button to add it to the cart. So we'll paste it right here. That being said, let's go back and refresh. Great, it is looking much better now with the details, and we have the tags with the price, add to cart, and back to list is working. One last thing before I end this video, I want to display price with the $sign here. So I can just go back to the individual product card, and we are displaying the price. I will just use at string.format, and I want to format it in currency. So 0, I have C0. Then I'll add a comma here for model.price, and I'll close the bracket right here. Let's save this, go back and refresh. And perfect, we are not displaying cents here, but we have the $sign. So our details is working and the back to list are working. Next, what we want is when we add it to the cart, I want to display a cart here and I want to add it to the session. So we have to configure our application to use session. Let's do that in the next video.